Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status like button option not showing after new update. First of all you have to open your mobile phone settings and here you have to search WhatsApp in the search bar. When you search WhatsApp in the search bar, here you have to click on top WhatsApp button. After clicking on this, here you have to click on storage and cache. When you click on this, here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After doing this, you have to go to your mobile phone home screen, and now here you have to open your Play Store. After that, here you have to search WhatsApp in the Play Store. Now here you have to click on WhatsApp, and here you have to update this WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating WhatsApp, now here you have to open WhatsApp, and here you can see in this way you can fix like option not showing on your WhatsApp after a new update. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.